In today's video, we're walking through how to install WordPress on IONOS and lock down basic security the right way from the start. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley, and if setting up a WordPress site feels intimidating or you're worried about doing something wrong with security, this video is meant to simplify that entire process for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get WordPress installed on IONOS, why security basics like SSL and login protection matter, and how to handle these things early on so you're not fixing problems later on. This matters because a secure setup isn't about being technical, it's really about protecting your site, your time, and your peace of mind. Let's get into it. So what is IONOS? IONOS is a web hosting provider that allows you to host websites, register domains, and install WordPress with built-in tools. WordPress is the content management system that powers your website that allows you to create pages, posts, and manage your site all without needing to understand code. When you combine IONOS and WordPress, you get a really beginner-friendly setup that works well for a lot of first websites. IONOS handles the hosting side while WordPress handles the site content and structure. This video is going to focus on two things. First, getting WordPress installed correctly, and second, locking down the basic security so your site is protected from the beginning. So I wanted to start off with some of the key features of IONOS. So one of the main features is its built-in WordPress installation tools. You don't need to upload files manually or configure any databases yourself. Another important feature is SSL support. So SSL encrypts data between your website and visitors, which just helps keep information secure and builds trust. IONOS also allows you to manage updates and settings from one dashboard, which makes it easier to maintain your site once it's live. On the WordPress side, you get full control over content, themes, and plugins while still being able to add basic security layers without advanced technical knowledge. Okay, now let's go through a simple WordPress installation process. If you don't already have an IONOS account, we do have a link down in the description below. So once you click that link and log in, this is where you're going to manage your domain and website settings. Next, you're going to look for the option to install WordPress. IONOS usually offers a one-click or guided WordPress installation option. It's very simple. And then you're going to choose the domain you want to have WordPress installed on. If you have multiple domains, just make sure you select the right one. Then you're going to set your WordPress login details. This includes your admin username and password. Choose something secure and avoid using admin as the username. Go ahead and complete the installation and wait for WordPress to finish setting up. Once it's done, you'll receive a login link to your WordPress dashboard. At this point, WordPress is installed and ready to use. Now that you've got WordPress installed, let's go ahead and talk about SSL and why it's so important. SSL is one of the most important security basics for pretty much any website, especially when you're just getting started. SSL encrypts the connection between your website and your visitors, which means information being sent back and forth is protected instead of being exposed. Without SSL, most modern browsers will show a warning that your site is not secure. Even if your site is brand new and doesn't collect personal information, those warnings can immediately turn people away. Many visitors are going to leave before they even read your content simply because the site looks unsafe. SSL also plays a big role in trust. When people see the lock icon in the browser and secure connection, they feel more comfortable staying on your site, clicking links, or filling out forms. This matters whether you're running a blog, a service website, or an online store. But beyond trust, SSL is now a basic requirement for modern websites. Many features, tools, and integrations expect your site to be secure by default. Without SSL, certain forms, logins, or tools are probably not going to work correctly. IONOS typically includes SSL with hosting plans, which makes things so much easier. However, it is still important to activate it and double check that it's working properly. Just because SSL is available doesn't mean it's fully set up. And making sure SSL is active early helps prevent issues later on and gives your site a solid, secure foundation from day one. Now let's enable and check SSL. So after your WordPress is installed, you want to make sure SSL is active. Inside your IONOS dashboard, look for SSL or security settings tied to your domain. Make sure that SSL is enabled. Once SSL is active, check that your site loads using HTTPS instead of HTTP. This is going to confirm that the secure connection is working. Inside WordPress, you may also need to update your site URL settings so everything runs through that HTTPS properly. This step is important because it ensures all traffic is encrypted, not just part of your site. Next is keeping WordPress updated. So one of the easiest ways to keep your site secure is keeping WordPress updated. Updates fix bugs, improve performance, and close security gaps. Ignoring updates is one of the most common reasons sites get compromised. Inside your WordPress dashboard, you'll see notifications when updates are available. This will include things like WordPress core updates, theme updates, and plugin updates. You don't need to check things daily, but checking regularly helps keep your site stable and protected. Next, let's talk about basic login protection. Login protection is another key part of WordPress security. Most attacks target login pages because they're publicly accessible. One simple step is using strong passwords. Avoid simple or reused passwords, especially for admin accounts. Another step is limiting login attempts. This prevents repeated login guesses and protects against brute force attempts. You can also change how login notifications work so you're alerted if someone tries to access your site unexpectedly. These steps don't require advanced setup, but they add an important layer of protection. Now, why security matters for small sites. A common mistake beginners make is thinking small websites don't need security. In reality, automated attacks don't care how big your site is. Bots scan the internet looking for vulnerable sites, not popular ones. Basic security setups like SSL, updates, and login protection drastically reduce risk even for brand new sites. It's much easier to set these things up early than fix issues later on. Now let's go ahead and touch on the pros and cons. So one of the biggest pros of installing WordPress on IONOS is the ease of setup. The guided installation removes so many technical barriers. Another benefit is built-in SSL support, which helps you to secure your site without adding on extra tools. IONOS also keeps hosting and management in one place, which is again very helpful for beginners. Now on the downside, settings may feel a bit hidden if you're brand new. It can take a bit of clicking around to find everything. WordPress itself also requires ongoing maintenance. Updates and security checks are simple, but they're still your responsibility. If you want to go ahead and check out IONOS, we do have a link down below. So once you click that link, you can actually get started with $1 per month with a 1-year term. Okay, so they do have a couple different options for plans. They've got the starter, the plus, and the pro. With the starter and the plus, you actually can go ahead and save 96%, and it'll start off with $1 per month with a 1-year term, and then the starter will increase to $14 a month, and the plus will go ahead and start at $20 per month after that. With the starter plan, you get the AI website builder, intuitive website editing, free domain for a year, professional email, and 10 gigabytes of web space. Then they've got the plus plan, which you get everything in the starter, but you also get professional email address, 50 gigabytes of web space, site analytics, AI text generator, AI SEO text generator as well, and so much more. Lastly is the pro plan, which is saving you 47% with our link. So it starts at $17 per month with a 1-year term and then goes up to $32 per month. And with this, you get everything in the plus plan, but you also get SEO optimization with ranking coach standard. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on some bonus tips. So one helpful tip is to write down your WordPress login details and store them securely in a place so you won't forget. Early on, it's really easy to lose track of logins when you're setting everything up at once, but having your details saved somewhere safe can save you a lot of frustration if you ever get logged out or need access quickly. It's also a good idea to set up a basic backup plan once your site is live. Backups act like a safety net. If something breaks during an update or you make a mistake, you can restore your site instead of starting over. Another important tip is to avoid installing too many plugins at the beginning. It's tempting to add lots of features right away, but more plugins mean more updates, more maintenance, and more chances for conflicts. Start with only what you truly need and then add things gradually as your site grows. After any update, whether it's WordPress, a theme, or a plugin, take a minute to check your site. Click through a few pages, test a form, and make sure everything still looks and works the way that it should. And finally, remember that website security is about consistency, not perfection. You don't need to do everything at once or understand every technical detail. Simple habits like keeping things updated and using strong passwords matter far more than complicated setups. Small steps done regularly are what actually keep your site safe over time. If you're building your first website and want a simple guided way to install WordPress with basic security in one place, IONOS is a solid option. If you prefer more manual control and already having advanced hosting experience, you may want a different setup. This approach is best for beginners who want clarity and a clean starting point. I know how overwhelming it can feel when you're trying to set up your first website and make sure everything is done correctly. Getting WordPress installed and securing it early is going to save you so much stress down the line. If you want to go ahead and check out IONOS, we do have that link in the description below and you can save up to 94%. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.